What is going on YouTube? So we have another box opening, package opening, and this is Circus of the Dead cards. Open this package will cause extreme happiness. Okay. Try and open this carefully without ripping it. Ripping the insides, I mean, obviously. Health and safety. Okay. That's what's inside. I can already feel there's a few bonus treats in there as per usual. That is it. Okay, so we have a Circus of the Dead 2 sticker. And the reason we had to get these, why they're so special, is we're actually going to be in Circus of the Dead 2 little bit part. So keep your eyes peeled when you watch that. First ever film. It always gives you like tons of stickers. That's cool. I've not seen that one before. Whack a barrel. Is that a bridge magnet? Signed card by Billy Paul. Okay, here we go. Nice little bag. There's a lot in here, isn't there? Okay, I'll get a few out at a time. Nothing else in there. Okay, here we go. Front of the magic trick. You can read what it says. I'm not going to mispronounce everything. Don't ban me, YouTube, for that one. That's cool. I love how it looks kind of old, like dirtied up. So many. And you get these from Billy Pond's Etsy page. There's many Pisces. That was cool. And that was that. Very cool. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. There's not really much else to say, so I will see you later. Cheers for watching. Forgot to show the backs. Obviously the back says Circus of the Dead. Very cool.